Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take remote photos with Insta360 Go. And to do this you'll need to download Insta360 Go app on your smartphone. In this case I'm using iPhone. Now we're gonna click on the camera button, go for Bluetooth control, and if your camera is connected you'll be able to shoot photos. There's also option to record videos and time-lapse, I think, right here. Yep, there's time-lapse, and you can click on the shoot to capture the image. So for example, let's hold it like that. We're gonna click on shoot, and we just took a photo, and sadly, for some reason there's no preview. It's kind of weird, but to check the photos, we'll need to connect our camera using the case. So plug the camera inside the case like that, and then connect it to your iPhone or smartphone using a cable or the plug. And here's the photo that we just took. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.